ATV land, this is Mark from the ATV guys, and you probably saw our Zforce 500 from CFMoto that we had last year for a year. We beat the living crap out of that thing and we returned it, and MGR Suzuki CFMoto had a little surprise for us. Guess what? We're getting this thing now. So this is a brand new model, not exactly model, but it's a new model in the range. It's a Zforce 1000. Yes, finally a 1000cc machine at CFMoto, and we still get to beat the living crap out of it for a year. We got the keys, plate, registered, and we're gonna get a nice set of accessories from CFMoto Canada. We're gonna deck it out with the original OEM accessories, a few new things, a few other products, wheels, tires. We're gonna make a nice rapid touring rig. Looks like it's an all Bosch system, so this might actually turn very nicely to be able to flash this thing and get more power out of it. We'll see how it comes out, but we're gonna get every ounce of power out of this thing over the next year. We're gonna have a blast. So thanks to MGR Suzuki CFMoto in Plessisville, Quebec, letting us beat this thing to a pulp for a year. Thanks. We'll see you later on the ATV guys.